Today our theme is what's the refinery and deep process of cooking oil. So what is the refinery? The unrefined edible fats and oil that has been like physically squeezed cannot be called crude, can only be called crude oil, not cooking oil. So the crude oil contains many impurities that are cannot conducive to combustion and the storage, such as the water, free fat acid, we call it FFA, and pigments, fibers, etc. So, for example, if the water cannot be efficiently removed, and the quality of the oil will be reduced. So, and the speed of the oil recidity will be also related. So it's very necessary to remove the impurities and the moistures, which is very unfavorable of storage. Components such as the trace metal, such impurity contains toxins, and if they remain in the oil cause certain harm to human body. So therefore, if most crude oil want to meet the national edible oil standards, refining is necessary, and some special oil will also use some processing techniques